absolutely delicious lamb chops with garlic butter. 20 grams of butter per chop, good amount of salt and pepper for seasoning. We'll add some fresh garlic. We're going to want all those beautiful fragrant juices. Chop your parsley as thinly as possible and mix up with your fork. All the flavors are well combined. Make it in a shape that's easy to divide in equal pieces. The lamb has been out of the fridge for half an hour. It goes into the cold air fryer for 4 minutes at 200 degrees. Et voila! First side done. Turn them over, and as you do so, make sure that they sit flat at the bottom of your air fryer. A piece of butter for each lamb, nice and flat so it stays on as it melts. And back in the air fryer at 200 degrees. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel. Lots of ideas here. It stays 5 minutes on the second side. Et voila! Beautifully grilled, aromatic garlic butter lamb chops. Bon appétit les amis!